Hi everyone, this is Dr. Lev here. I promised to create a video to tell you more about writing the method section for your next homework. So here it is. Once again, how to write a method section, and this is your next homework. The components that you have to include in your next homework are participants and subjects, materials, and instruments is another way to describe the next section, research study design, procedure, and analysis. The participants and subjects, what do you include? Well, you're going to include sampling methods that we talked about. Is it probability sampling or non-probability sampling? As well as the demographic information, what age, ethnicity, gender, where, etc., to describe what your sample is in relationship to your population. Text, material, or instrument is the next section, which is the subheading that you can use. And the materials can include, are you using surveys? And if yes, pre-existing surveys, you want to describe what it is, talk about the reliability and the validity of the survey instrument that you're using, who developed it, and quote or cite the source. Also, are you using actual materials? Meaning, are you using equipment such as pedometers or various different equipments to collect your data, such as television, cell phone, computer, sound, etc. So you have to list all of them in terms of what you're going to be using. Also, the next section is your research design. Remember the diagram that I have shown you with the research designs? Remember, there's two types of research designs that we talked about, which is descriptive observation versus experimental and longitudinal that we talked about. So you're going to propose what research study design that you're going to use and define your variables based on your construct, which is also based on your theory and conceptual models that you have selected for your topic. The procedure is basically how are you going to collect this data? So you're going to propose a data collection method. So either are you collecting the data yourself, which is primary data set, or using existing data, which is secondary data analysis, or maybe you're doing both. The steps involved with the collecting data and where are you going to store the data as well as the ethical consideration and approval process. This is, of course, the institutional review board that we talked about in the last class. So you're going to explain this in this section. The next section is the analysis. So how are you analyzing the data? So you're going to propose earlier in the method and research section that you're going to use either quantitative, qualitative, or mixed method, which is both methods. And also you want to talk about what kind of descriptive statistics that you're going to collect. So even in quantitative, qualitative, mixed methods, you're able to collect descriptive statistics, meaning how many people are female, male, also age, etc. So there's some demographic information that are considered descriptive statistics that you can collect in quantitative, qualitative, or mixed method. Inferential statistics is usually collected in the quantitative and mixed method. And those include either parametric versus non-parametric statistics. So if you're going to analyze your data, either quantitative or qualitative or mixed method, there's going to be softwares that are used. So quantitative, the popular ones are SPSS, SAS, Stata, R, the list goes on. Also, the qualitative data, you have Nudist, there's a couple other qualitative data analysis tools that I am blanking out here, but there are other softwares. Atlas, I believe, is the next one that you can use. So you can get all this information from your textbook as well as your literature review that you had submitted earlier this week. So I hope this is helpful in terms of putting your method paper together. So basically what you're going to do for the next homework is write up roughly about 2 to 4 pages using method as a first level header, and then using the subheading, so level 2, as the participants, the procedures, etc., that we listed as the subheadings, and you're going to write up 2 to 4 pages, excluding the title page and reference section. So good luck. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in 2 weeks. Okay, and I will post more videos as I can, as soon as I think of other things to record. But I just wanted to make sure that I did this first, as I promised. Okay, I will talk to you soon. Good luck, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.